All right, this is number 17 on the 2014 Geometry SOL, and it says for which polygon are both x equals -1 and y equals -2 lines of symmetry. For this, I want you to think about it. We're graphing the line x equals -1, and we're graphing the line y equals -2, and then we're just going to pretend like it's a piece of paper and fold it on those two lines. And will the shape match up when you fold it on those two lines? So we've got to go back to our algebra days and say, when we've got y equals -2, what's that the graph of? Because some students don't know if it goes like side to side on the graph or up and down on the graph at -2. And so I'm going to graph it correctly here so you can kind of see what it looks like and then show you how I want you to remember it. So y equals -2 is a horizontal line that goes through the spot -2 on the graph. And the reason why it's easy to remember is this. You pick any point on this line, say this one right here, and give me the x, y location. Well, that's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X is 6. What's y's value? Oh, y's value is -2. Right here, x's value is 0. Y's value is -2. Right here, x's value is positive 1.5. Sorry, you can't read that here. Positive 1.5. This is this location. The y value is, guess what? -2. Anywhere you pick on this line, the y value is equal to -2. And that's why that's the line y equals -2. So I'm going to go through and graph that down below on all of these. So let's see. Switch my cursor here. Let's try this again. So for instance, I see this is -1, -2 coming through like this. -2 right here goes through like this. And so what spots in here is -2 splitting these in half? Well, it's obviously not A. A, we can go ahead and mark that out. This is my x here. No, that's just all wrong. It looks like it could be this one. That could be splitting in half, and same here. This one, it's just barely off. It should be maybe y equals -1. It works, so this one's out also. So let's just x that thing out. Now I want you to think, what is the graph of x equals -1? Well, x equals -1, so x is equal to -1, is going to be a vertical line. And we can use the same line of thought there. You pick any point on this line and give me the ordered pair like we did with the previous example. X's value is always -1. And so these graphs are a little weird. This is my y-axis, x equals 0. Right beside it is x equals -1 like this. So it looks like this is going to be our answer. It looks like it's splitting it right down the middle vertically here. Just to test it though, answer choice B has -1 right here. And notice it's just slightly to the right of the center of this thing. So that throws this one out as a possible answer. It's gone. And it leaves us with our answer right here. Answer choice C. So sometimes you got to go through and know how to graph. Other ways they could have asked you this was, they could say, well, what about y equals x? And that's going to be a line looking like this. Y equals -x. That's a line looking like this. And so there's several ways they can do it. You just got to recall a little bit of algebra, graph that line, and see how it's symmetrical. Thanks for working hard, and let me know if you have any questions.